Di ba?
Been here 7 years.
5 years. Ay, 7 years na siya dito.
For the first time I
Ang
saw it,
galing-galing mo, bata ka. Ang galing mo.
you were
how
in
about
New
you?
York.
James?
Yeah, I watched this show too. I've been living here for a year, but I've been watching this show. It's nice to be on it.
You try talking like James.
You talking like Ia?
Yeah. Ayan.
Para sa ating Team International, medyo wala silang nasabi kanina. This is a competition. We want to see how fierce you guys are. Ano ang mensahe niyo para sa Pinoy? Kanina wala silang nasabi.
Good luck.
Good luck. Did you eat breakfast?
Kumain ka daw, parang hindi ka pa daw kumakain. Ivan.
I really like that question. Did you
Ivan.
eat breakfast?
Yeah, we ate your breakfast.
Wait, your breakfast.
It's okay.
Ang cute.
Okay. Okay ba? Ready na kayo para sa mga talent niyo?
Bakit? Si Richard, masaya-masaya ngayon. Okay. Masaya. Ang saya lang lahat ng tao. Huwag kang maano, Luis, ha? Nasararo ko magsiselos.
Ano?
Eto na! Happy birthday, Mariel! Eto na. Okay.
Ba't ka nanikilig?
Eto na! You guys have a talent, right? You have something prepared for everyone?
Yes.
But first, hindi sila nakabate. Pabatiin natin sila sa mga sumuport sa kanila at bumoto sa kanila. Brett, go greet.
Thank you to all the fans, Brett C, Brett fans, Taga Dumaguete, salamat sa tanan. Thank you.
Ryan?
Hello, I love you. Did you eat breakfast? You have to eat breakfast now. I love you. Eat masarap. Mami, dito sa ako. Wawawi.
Sarap kausap nito, no?
Of course, ang ating team of big winner, James!
Thank you to all my supporters, especially the Jaysha fans, Javon fans, and Jamily. Thank you so much.
How's Anne?
I don't know.
Oh, you don't know. Okay.
Gusto ko makita mag-usap si Ryan tsaka si Freddy na contestant natin kahapon. Para maraming patutunguhan yung usapan
Actually,
na yun.
kahit ikaw at saka si Ryan, parang solve na ako.
Ako, gusto ko mag-usap kayo ni ano.
Ako, mabuti pa. Ryan, do you have a girlfriend? Luis is asking.
I have girlfriend?
Yeah.
I have to ask my mom first.
What about Jenny?
Jenny? Oh my God.
Bakit? Strict ba parents mo? Strict ba ang parents mo?
Ano, suntukan ba to kung makapagtanong ka?
Big sabi niya, tatanong pa kay lalaking tao, papaalam pa sa mommy. Is she strict?
Bakit di ka nagpaalam kay
She's not strict, but she's very strong. My mom is very strong.
Yari ka.
I think she's more strong than Manny Pacquiao. Very strong.
Patay ka doon.
Alright, at syempre may inihandang talent ang ating mga international housemates. Let's go! Palakpakan natin si Brett, Ryan, and James!
Okay na ba? Okay na? Okay, go!
Ako, gusto niyo ako na lang?
Wanna be a millionaire, so freaking bad. I love the things I never had. Wanna be on the cover of Forbes magazine, smiling next to Oprah and the Queen. Time I close my eyes, I see my name in shining lights. The difference is in every night. Oh, I swear, to prepare. I'm a billionaire. And I'm a billionaire.
Hey!
the way you move, it ain't fair, you know. Hey, soul sister, I don't wanna miss a single thing you do. Tonight, hey, hey, hey. Beautiful girls all over the world. I could be chasing, but my time would be wasted. They got nothing on you, baby. Nothing on you, baby. They might say hi, I might say hey, but you shouldn't worry about what they say. 'Cause they got nothing on you, baby. Nothing on you.
Come on, nothing on you, babe.
London, I've been to Paris, and went there in Tokyo. Back home down Georgia, to New Orleans, but you always still the show. And just like that, girl, you got me froze, like a Nintendo 64. And if you never knew, well, now you know. No, 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 no. All over the world, I could be chasing, but my time would be wasted. They got nothing on you, baby. Nothing on you, baby.
Nothing on you, baby.
Thank you so much to Brett, Ryan, and Kuya. Ay, akala ko si Kuya yung nasa likod. Yun naman para si Romel Cabral, ang gitarista.
Maraming salamat, Team International Housemates. Okay, laro na tayo.
James, ang gwapo mo. Oo, totoo. Okay.
Ito naman. Okay, laro na tayo. Unahan tayo to 5 points.
Kamay sa ilalim ng baba, title ng kanta. Kapag nakanta ng tama, 2 points.
Brett, you might want to move here a bit. Ayan, maraming salamat. Okay,
You know
kamay
what to
sa
do?
ilalim
You
ng
know
baba.
what to do?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Kamusta tayo dyan?
Okay
Okay,
kayo?
I love it.
Okay, kamay sa ilalim ng baba.
Baba, chin. Yeah.
Okay, first question kaya naman. Question.
Pinoy.
Sorry.
Sorry. Okay, may chance ngayon ng ating international music, please.
Brett.
Beat It is correct. You have 1 point, international housemates. Sing it.
Beat it. No one wants to be defeated.
Yo, beer.
Show 'em how fucking strong is your fight. It doesn't
Sorry. Mali.
Ay,
Tama sana, kaya lang ginawang remix ni Ryan. Beat it.
Ang dami mong dinadagdag. Showing how funky and strong is your fight. Medyo gumulo ng konti.
That's
Okay.
okay. You have 1 point, alright?
Okay. Team Pinoy, habol. Kaya naman, question.
Yes, Brett.
Paparazzi.
Paparazzi!
Oh, paparazzi!
You have another point. It's internationals. Sing it.
Linawin nyo yung katago.
I'm your biggest fan. I'll follow you until you love me. Paparazzi.
Okay.
Paparazzi.
Ikaw nakakagulo ka lang eh. Ikaw nakakagulo ka lang pag sila natalo dahil sa'yo ha.
I love the Lion Band. Pero magaling si Brett. At dahil dyan may 2 points kayo.
Ang
May 2
tapos about
points.
maybe there's no other superstar.
So 2-0. Alright, kamay sa ilalim ng baba.
And question.